Guys, do you trade stocks? Do you try to find stocks to trade every single morning? If you also trade stocks like me, I trade stocks and futures, then you need good scanners. And right now, the best scanners in the industries are Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas provides you with extremely customizable scans that you can utilize to find stocks to trade in the morning before the market opens, during the market. It has extra tools that you can use. I mean, look, right now, I'll tell you, I put my name on it. Those are the best scanners that you can ever use to find stocks to trade. And they have a test drive going on. There's going to be a link in the description and comment section for you to take advantage of that test drive. I've been using these scanners since I started trading 7 years ago. Even when I was learning brand new, as a brand new trader going through education and paper trading, I was using these scanners. It's for good reason too. So make sure you take advantage of that. Again, link in the description and comment section to the test drive. Take advantage of it, guys. Let's go ahead, get it back into the video. What's going on, guys? I have the live trade recorded here from that P&L I posted on YouTube yesterday, and I want to go ahead and share that with you here and show you the trades, show you my thought process on what was happening, how I was working it out, and why I took profit where I did, right? But before we do, I need you to do me a couple little favors. First of all, smash the like button for me and comment in the comment section. When you do those two things, you really help out the channel tremendously. And I kind of need that help from you because you watch the channel, you get value from it. I need a little bit of interaction from you. I'm not asking you to buy anything. Just hit the like button, comment in the comment section, even if it's just to say hi to me, right? It really helps out tremendously. If you have a question about trading, by all means, drop it down there. Let's go ahead and jump into this here. Yesterday, when the market went insane, SPY broke over 415. Umberto over in the Discord posted, Trade Simple is his name, posted that the SPY was nearing 415. When that happened, I brought it up. I started to notice that we were going to break out over 415. I wobbled over here to my desk. And you know why I say that? It's because my back is jacked up, and that's why I'm not streaming today, and I'm not going to stream tomorrow, Friday. I'll be back on Monday. And I sat here for about 30 minutes, man. It was not fun when I got up, but it was worth it because I managed out a couple of good trades. Now, I traded in a new $25,000 account. Those of you who have been following the journey know that I already have a $25,000 account funded. I already have a $50,000 account funded, but I want to get another $25,000 one. Why? Because I'm going to use that for swing trading, and then I'm going to use copy trader on it. Boom. And then I'm also working on a $250,000 account. That one only needs about $2,900 more to get funded. And yesterday, I traded in another $250,000 one. Why? Because if I get two of those, I'm going to day trade with that sucker and use copy trader as well. So that one is a banger, and I need about $9,000 to finish because I took a trade yesterday on it, and I'm going to show you both of those right here. Now, what I did yesterday was I traded in both accounts at the same time. And here's that trade. You could see here, I'm in 25 contracts here on the $250,000 account, and I'm in 3 contracts up here on the $25,000 account. Okay, now I'm switching back and forward throughout both of these. You can see here, I'm still in 25 contracts. What I did here was, as soon as we had our very first pullback after that big run up, we had our very first pullback into a potential support zone. This was roughly on the SPY 414.50 area. It was 414.60s. I went ahead and said, this is the level. Why? Because that was the previous resistance level. So I was like, this is the level I want to buy in front of. That level is going to hold, and we're going to get a nice bounce. So right there, you can see I bought right in front of that level, and we start to get our bounce. Now, this trade took about 30 minutes. So we're going to start fast forwarding here a little bit and see where we're at. We're still in 25 contracts here. We're still in 3 contracts here. My first entry was on this one over here, but I had the same entry on both. All right. So we get that nice push up, and now we're up here in front of this resistance zone. I'm still not taking any profits, but I'm being mindful of 2 things. I'm being mindful of the resistance zones, and I'm also being mindful of the trailing drawdown, the automatic liquidation threshold on these accounts. Remember, it's the prop firm accounts. So as you push up, the auto liquidation threshold also pushes up with it. So if you have any pullbacks, even if you're in the profit, you could get automatically liquidated in the account, and there goes that, and the challenge is over. As you can see, I'm still in there, and we're pushing up. If I was looking for that kind of straight up push like this, like you had here after this, we have a pullback, and I was looking for 3 or 4 big candles straight up into 41.77 to 41.80 area, but we don't get it. We get this grindy, slow action. We got up as high, if I remember correctly, as I have it right here. We got up as high as 41.79. Wow, man, I got so close. I got so close. I would have definitely had my fill on the 25K account. But I would have missed the one on the 250K account. But regardless, we push up, and then I start to think, all right, it's time to start to peel some profits off here and scale out a little bit, because this area is a tough resistance zone. You can see here I'm up nice 6.5 points on this trade, 7 points on this trade, okay? And now what I did here was I had two different charts that I was trading off of at the same time. You know, as long as I had my hard stop in place, which I did, I felt comfortable, I was fine. Now, at this point here, more than likely, if this trade came back down here to break even, it probably would have hit the trailing drawdown, and this stop would have been irrelevant and wouldn't have mattered. But I keep watching here. We're getting kind of stuck at 74. I cancel out my hard stop because I'm like, okay, at this point, it's irrelevant. I take half off right there, or just about half off right there. I book some profits there, and then I start to adjust my order up here. And then we get that, you see that candle there? That I was like, this is it. We're going to get that push into 78. And we should get that push into 79 right after that. You know, I thought to myself, 2 more candles and we're there at most. So 1 candle here, next candle, boom, and that was it. That's what I was looking for. That's what I thought we would get. But that's not what came of it, right? That's not what came of it. Check out what happens here. We start to stall out again in 75 land. 75 was a tough resistance zone. And then I remember, you know, trailing out of liquidation threshold. We just pushed up into 76. If we drop hard, I might not get stopped out from the chart because the chart is telling me I'm okay to stay in the trade, but that auto liquidation threshold might hit me. There's no time for me to glance over and do math. There's no time for me to think about any little details there. It's only, Jesse, are you going to risk it on this account here, or are you going to remain safe and just book the remaining profits? I decide to book the remaining profits right there on the 73 fail. Boom. I'm out of it there. I actually got a nice fill at 73 and change if I'm mistaken. And then I close out this one as well. We did push a little bit higher from here. We reached 79. So, I mean, I almost top ticked the move. And that was it. That was the end of that trade. Now, I'm happy with how I came out. Why? Because a 250K account now only needs about $9,000. And the 25K account only needs, I think, like 600 bucks. I think it needs 600 bucks and it's done. So now I'm in the driver's seat on both accounts. I'm in big time driver's seat in the other 250K account, and I have 2 funded accounts already. So the plan is going accordingly. Everything's good. It's all about now being patient, waiting for the right setups, and striking again and again and again. That's it. Now, if you have any questions about any of this, drop it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to be back on Monday, ready to stream again, and I'll see you all then. Stay safe out there. Stay true to your stop losses and plans. Peace.